Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the Java runtime and the correct JDK are present, run Java version, and ensure JDK 11 or newer. Once confirmed, open Visual Studio Code and focus on the Extensions pane. This is where you will add Java support. Search for the extension Pack for Java to get language support, debugger, and build tools in one install. Install it now. Make sure VSCode has permission to add extensions. After installation, reload the window so changes take effect and the Java server can start. Once done with installation, configure the core integration by setting Java Home in Settings or Settings. JSON so VSCode points to your JDK installation. This avoids runtime mismatch. Next, ensure the language support for Java and the Java debugger are enabled, and add Maven or Gradle extensions if your project needs them. Open an existing project or create one with the Java Project Explorer. Then run the command palette action Java Clean workspace to force the language server to reindex. To finish, run your main class using the run or debug icons in the editor, or compile and launch from the integrated terminal with Javac and Java. Make sure breakpoints are active and inspect variables in the debug console to confirm behavior. Once everything runs, save your workspace settings so the extension uses consistent JDK and build tools. If things go wrong, the most common fix is to reload the window and revalidate Java Home. This forces the language server to restart and usually clears class path or indexing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.